It's got a beat to it, man. And poke your knees. Is everybody ready for this? Is everybody ready? Because this is going to be hilarious.
But the seagulls poke in my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did.
What is this? Oh, I can't, man. Oh my god, I'm gone. What is this? I can be a backpack.
Put me down. I love to show you some dance moves.
Oh dear. Oh my god. Oh dear. Hey.
Come on, man, quit that banging. What's that stain? In our basket. Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that. You don't need apology. Just hold your breath and see when the time's right.
That log has a child, lol. I could be a backpack while you run, it's brilliant.
I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump, now breathe. That's good. Big log. Then I
Oh
rolled the
my
log
god.
over. Underneath was a tiny little stick.
A tiny little stick.
That log had a child.
That log had a child.
Listen, boy. When you are
Oh no. This is hilarious.
screaming, come help me, please.
Poke your knees. It's got a beat to it, man. And poke your knees.
Whatever, you're sort of pitchy. Didn't like it? Listen, man.
Do you
I'm
like
not your
it?
friend. Don't fall asleep.
Don't fall asleep. Oh. Good Jesus Christ, Lord Almighty above. What on earth? Oh, okay. Thank you so much for the follow. I'm going to try and not butcher your name. Alicia. Okay. That wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Thank you so much for the follow. Honestly, it means so much. Now we are... Oh, my God. And now we got Jared. That's it. That's it, guys. We did it. We've hit 125. We've hit 125. And we are not even to the first place. So, thank you so much. We've hit today's goal. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, we did it. We did it. Joanna Hand, hit me with that like and follow. And we are officially hit 150, guys. We did it. All thanks to John and all his friends. Thank you so much for coming in, honestly. Thank you. Well, honestly, it's like I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, John, and all your friends. We've done it! Come on! I didn't take my shield. We did it. Michael, thank you so much for... Do me a favor, press save. I press save. 175, boys. 175. 176.